Right, last one I'm going to do. Right, the table gives information about on your percentage increase in retail sale prices. The average mortgage rate percentage in the first week of July is for 11 years. Okay, right. Work out the Spearmans rank coefficient of these datas. You may use blank columns to help you. Okay, and again, we've got to think about. I don't know anything about Spearmans rank actually. I've forgotten what the formula is, you know. But I know I've got this formula page, and at the bottom you've got one that clearly says Spearmans rate correlation coefficient. So I'll use that one. Yeah, I'm just going to put it in the top right to see if we need it. And you have to just remember what all these numbers mean. Now the one that's going to take the most working out is the sum of my difference squared. Okay, and this is the one that's not in there and you need to think. So what I need to do is I need to rank my increase in retail prices and then rank my average mortgage. So I'm actually going to do this one here in blue. So it's going to be rank of, let's call this retail. Now you can do a highest to lowest, or you can do the lowest to highest, it makes no difference whatsoever. I'm going to do highest to lowest, and it's actually quite nice because it already is ranked. So it's just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Be careful if there's any that have got two numbers, remember that they'll like share the average rank. And my average mortgage rate, I'm going to do in red. So it's actually going to be a rank of mortgage. That's a little bit hard to see. You might have to bear with me for a sec while I work these out. So my lowest is going to... Okay, here's his rank quickly because it was taking a bit too much time. It's easy to make mistakes there, so I'll definitely make sure you write this in pencil. Now I need to find the difference of these. Now, it doesn't have to do 1 minus 3 or 3 minus 1 because my next stage I'm going to square it anyway. But let's do 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 6 is minus 1. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. 7 minus 11 is minus 4. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 11 minus 8 is 3. And then we just square them. So it really doesn't matter if you mess up your minuses or not. So let's put my difference squared. Okay, so that's 4, 25, 1, 4, 25, 9, 16, 49, 16, 36, and 9. Be careful with that one there. For some reason people always say 1 squared is 2 and it's not. Okay. Now I've got all the information I need to put into this formula. So it's 1 minus 6 times, I need to add up all of my d squareds, which happens to be 194. Okay. All of this, now n is the amount of numbers we have. Okay, and you can always look at the biggest number in your rank, which is going to be 11, or just count them up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've got 11, which is 11 squared minus 1. Okay, essentially we can tie this all up or type it all into your calculator, but make sure you do write this little bit here. Okay, so I end up doing 1 minus 0.882, okay, which is 0.118. Okay, I'll work there for that. Okay, we had a few more questions on this one, which is interpret what does the correlation of 0.118. Now that is an extremely low correlation. Yeah. So what I'd say is that there's little to no correlation between the percentage of increase in the retail prices and the mortgage average. Yeah. And that's it. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that. Here's the answers that I did earlier. All of these can be found on Maths Genie, which is on Statistics.